Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing all what? Hope you're all doing absolutely great. Today I'm going to show you how I cut my hair. I've done this a few times during quarantine and I liked how it turned out. I actually followed a YouTube tutorial initially. I'll link it below and give credit to the original person who I followed their tutorial because credit where credit is due. But I thought it'd be fun for me to show you. We're gonna cut some layers. You can keep length if you want to keep length. I'm gonna cut off a little bit of length just because it's too much for me. But let me go over what you're gonna need first. You're gonna need some hair ties, at least 3. Want to get a brush so you can brush your hair. You will also need some hair cutting scissors. These are actually Jenny's. She got them from Amazon. I'll go ahead and link them below. They're nice and sharp. You can use regular scissors, but it's going to be more difficult because they're usually not as sharp. So let me brush out this hair so I can give you a full idea of how long it is. Now, I am not a hairdresser. This is just trial and error for me, and I think it turned out pretty good, so I want to share the knowledge. Oh, it's so staticky. Look at that. And I put on a colored shirt so you can truly see how long it is and also just kind of like see what I'm doing better because up against the black it's kind of difficult to see. First thing we're going to do, well, brush your hair and then you're going to flip it over and tie your hair in a ponytail, okay? At the top of your forehead, like a unicorn. Okay, we've got our ponytail. And I forgot to measure how much I really want to cut off. It's down to my ass crack and I kind of wanted to get nipple length. So that's going to be a decent amount. I'm probably going to go for like this. So what you're going to do, once you have your unicorn, grab another hair tie, second ponytail kind of towards the middle of the face just to lock it into place. And then the third ponytail is going to go right, it's going to capture all of the hair that you're going to be chopping off. So ooh, bitch. I'm gonna start with, you could always cut off more, but you can't add more. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it right above the hair tie. We're gonna take our scissors, snip, snip. Oh, it's thick. It looks like a lot. It looks like a lot, but just keep in mind that this is gonna go back. It's gonna go back. So it's not gonna be chin length, okay? I need to even this shit out. It doesn't need to be perfect. Let's see how she looks. Ta-da! How awesome is that? Ooh, and I thought I cut off a decent amount, but we're still at under boob, like practically like bottom rib territory. So I could stand to get rid of some more, to be honest. But it's choppy. There's movement. Let me show you the front. You can see it, the face framing layers right here. You could even go in and add a few more. You could kind of trim that and make it blend with your bangs a little bit more, but I'm loving it. Woo! As you can see, I still have a lot of length. My hair is still very long, but it's got movement. Honey, I'm so obsessed. It feels so much lighter. It feels so bomb. I think I'm gonna cut off a little bit more next time, because I mean, the front, that's actually, it's nice. It's decent. It's shorter in the front, longer in the back. That's the way that I like my hair. And it just feels so good. You guys have to let me know if you try this or if you already do this and maybe I've just been sleeping under a rock. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I love you and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.